Hi there, Rob here. Well, very difficult situation at the moment we're facing worldwide with this whole coronavirus situation that's developing and spreading everywhere. While the world goes into lockdown and self-quarantine and so on, we here in Bali are actually preparing for the annual Silence Day called Nyepi. The tradition is basically the whole island is forced into a so-called silent day where everybody stays at home, nobody goes to work, like nobody, no planes, no trains, no cars, nothing. There's nothing on, nobody's working, everything shuts down, no electricity is allowed to be used. At night it's dark, there are no lights anywhere, no one's on the streets. But Bali's been doing that for hundreds of years. It's a tradition so that everybody can rest and take care of themselves and appreciate what they've got and so on. My thinking is it's not such a bad idea. Maybe the world, and we need that, all of us as well, and maybe we should implement this Silence Day type approach everywhere. Maybe not just once a year, maybe twice, maybe 3 times, or maybe 4 times, once every quarter, so everyone can rest and settle down and think about what they're doing with their health. Because the situation right now is stems from poor health. Again, it stems from people abusing animals, eating very, very badly, to the point where the way these animals are being treated in these markets and the way they're being killed and the lack of hygiene causes another disease like this or virus like this with a massive outbreak that affects all people, mostly who have preconditions anyway and are not very healthy. Again, a lot due to the lifestyle, lack of exercise, poor diet. So this is a time to really reflect and really think about our health and how we are going to improve ourselves going forward, because this is not just going to go away. It's going to go away in a month or two. Everything will settle down, hopefully, and things will be back to normal. But it's time that we humans start thinking about the way we eat, how we treat animals, how the hygiene aspect of things, how organic is our food, where's our food coming from, what's it been treated with, antibiotics and bad chemicals and so on and so forth. So we have to think about this. Take this as an opportunity, I think, and let's learn from it and let's improve from here. I hope everybody is safe. I hope you guys can take care of yourselves and stay healthy and stay fit. Be strong, we'll get through this. Cheers.